Hello, my name is Akim Ruslanov, and I'll be presenting Review UI for SVG files. Currently, Review Board has a limited way of rendering SVG files and does not allow for proper scaling and zooming. We're now attempting to utilize SVG potential to full extent and allow users to infinitely scale/zoom SVG images. The new solution utilizes viewbox attribute of SVGs and attempts to manipulate it in order to create zoom-in ability and ability to span SVG. So let us move to the review request. So this is a sample review request with a couple of SVGs added. As you can see, the review UI for SVGs does not differ greatly from the review UI for the bitmap images. You can still scale the image to any given scale, for example, 33, 50, 100, and 200%, so 33, 50, 100, and 200%. And notice that at 200%, there is no loss of quality. Let us move on to the new features. On the left, you can see the two buttons. The leftmost button controls the functionality of the mouse wheel on the image, and the button next to it controls the functionality of dragging on the image. So let us first look at the leftmost button. So by default, it is at the functionality of zooming into the image. So notice where my mouse wheel is, and now I'm going to use my mouse wheel to go up, and this will zoom in, and if I go down, this will zoom out. And the zoom in is specified by the location of the mouse, right? So as you can see, it's centered at the mouse. If you want to change this functionality to the default scrolling, you would click the button, and this allows me to now scroll. This could be quite useful when you're working with very tall images. I'll go back. Now, moving on to the next button. By default, this button allows us to create comments. So as you can see, by dragging the mouse, I can create a comment. This is still the same functionality as from the bitmap images. However, if I want to now span the image, I can click the button, and this allows me to span the image. Right. Awesome. So this is the functionality. So now let us move to how this appears with comments added. So this is in the same SVG, but with several comments added. So let us first scale the image. So as you can see, by scaling the image, the comments are still bounded to the same position. Now let us zoom into the image. So zooming into the image, we can see that again, the comment boxes are still bounded to the correct location. And if we want to now span the image, yep, this also make sure that the comment boxes are bounded to the correct position. Yep. And this happens at any given scale. Yep. Zooming, and just for reiteration, 50% still works. Awesome. Thank you so much for your time.